LightBurn's tool layers are special layers that have no cut parameters and will never be sent to your laser, making them valuable aids for almost any project. We recently covered using tool layers to get the most out of your material. In this video, we'll explain how to use them to guarantee perfect alignment to material or a jig positioned in your laser's work area. Before we begin, you should be familiar with the 3 different start from modes in LightBurn. Check out our full video guide if you need a refresher. The first method will work for any material whose dimensions you can easily measure and replicate in LightBurn. While not strictly limited to rectangles, in practice this is most valuable for rectangular sheets. First create a rectangle, then enter the precise dimensions of your material in the Numeric Edits toolbar. Click one of the tool layers located on the right side of the color palette to set the rectangle to that layer. In the laser window, set the Start From mode to either User Origin or Current Position, and set the Job Origin to any one of the 4 corner positions. You'll see the green Job Origin square appear on whichever corner of the rectangle you selected as the job origin. This square represents the starting location of our laser, and everything we place within the rectangle will output relative to this point. If we line our laser head up to the corresponding corner of the physical material, we can place our graphics anywhere within the tool layer, and we'll know where they'll output on the material. If your laser's bed has a sharp corner that you can align your material to, you can use absolute coordinates positioning. Then select the tool layer and go to Arrange, Move Selected Objects, and select the same corner you placed your material. For perfect accuracy, the corner of your material must be the exact edge of your laser's work area in both dimensions. It's usually easiest to home your laser and then make sure the corner is directly under it. Before running any job, use the Frame button to check that you've got everything set up appropriately. But note that, while the tool layer is used when calculating output location, you should only expect the laser to travel around the graphics that will be cut. If you run multiple jobs using the same piece of material, you can set previously cut graphics to a tool layer as well. Then place your new graphics taking care to avoid the originals. This is a great way to make use of gaps that would otherwise be challenging to utilize. Using these same principles, you can use tool layers to cut a simple jig and perfectly position output relative to it. As before, start by making a tool layer the size of the base material you want to cut your jig out of. Within it, create slots with the same dimensions as whatever items you want to place in the jig and engrave onto. This will work for any item you can measure, or anything you've previously cut with your laser, as long as you still have its outline handy. Set the jig slots to line mode, with the speed and power setting capable of cutting through your material. You can use any Start From mode for this process, but we recommend absolute coordinates if this is your first jig. With absolute coordinates, as long as you make certain the jig doesn't move after you first cut it, accuracy of subsequent runs is guaranteed. After cutting the slots out of the jig, set them to a tool layer. You now have a perfect representation of your jig in LightBurn. Place graphics within each slot in LightBurn, and an item in each slot in your laser's work area. Then run the job. If you select Current Position, or select User Origin but change it between uses, you'll only be able to reuse the jig if you accurately realign your laser to a corner of the jig. That is very doable, just a bit more challenging. In an upcoming video, we'll cover how to use tool layers for designing. In those cases, you may want to exclude a tool layer for the purpose of determining positioning. To do so, toggle off the frame switch in the Cuts and Layers window. You'll see the green Job Origin square move, and only the graphics that are set to output will be included when calculating position relative to that point. Be sure to like and subscribe for more great videos on mastering LightBurn.